Hello there, welcome to our channel Long Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to block a contact on IMO. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to block a contact on your IMO, let's open up our IMO app first. After opening your IMO app, let's tap on not now. After opening your IMO app, the interface will be similar to this, and you can see your contacts over here on the top right corner of the screen. And tap on the person or choose the contact of the person whom you want to block. For me, it will be Mr. this one, and since I don't recognize him, I will be able to block him. Now to block him or her whom you have chosen, you can see their name on the top of their screen. Tap on their name like this, and another profile interface of theirs will open, and on the top right corner of the screen on this interface you can see the three dotted icon. Tap over there and you can see the block option available over here just above the delete contact option. Tap on block and block again, and that guy will be, or that girl or guy will be permanently blocked on your IMO account. And guys, this is how you block somebody on IMO. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.